So today I have for you guys a thrifting vlog. Throughout the past week I went to a few thrift shops. So I was looking for a few cameras and I actually ended up finding one which you guys obviously know what it is. But I'll talk about it at the end of this video, so I guess yeah, just enjoy the video.
She wet herself because she was playing.
That's like a camera to me. Definitely.
That's definitely a camera. Oh, there's a Nikon up there too. And there's something, a Minolta SRT 101. There's a Super 8 camera right there. But these are all for bid or auction. It's an old video camera. Handy cam.
Most of the time we never pay the woman.
Stop making sound effects.
Yeah, okay, 15 minutes then.
Oh, this is like Kodak Instamatic. Pretty cool. Yeah. Snappy easy. Yeah, this one seems pretty nice. 35mm f3.8. So as you guys saw, I found another Olympus Stylus Epic, which is like pretty crazy because the last one I didn't find too long ago, and I already found another one, which is pretty crazy. So I guess I just got kind of lucky there. So I have it right here. Yes. So yeah, I found like the yeah, I'm not sure what kind of color this is, but yeah, it's pretty nice, and the condition was like perfect. There's like no scratches on it at all, and yeah, it works 100% perfectly fine. I tested everything, and I actually shot a roll of film with it already, and I guess I'll show you guys that right now. Thanks guys for watching the video. Next week I'm also going to be uploading a thrifting vlog, but this time it's going to be about clothing. So yeah, I found some good stuff. So yeah, I guess tune in next week to find out. I'm not sure if I said the price, but I got this one for $7 Canadian, which was a bit more than what I got the last one for, which was $1. But I'm not gonna complain. $7 for this is a really good deal. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So see you next week. Peace.